you like to watch?
Chapter 2 Angry Bird.
Okay.
Lho, mek 2 tok 2016 atau 2019 ya. Iki sing chapter 2, Dik. Chapter 1 ono This
That's the new,
that's the new.
the updates.
I want this one.
Ini udah lihat ya tadi.
Look.
That was you
But
saw.
But but chapter 1 is in them save the eggs from the pigs, and chapter 2 is the need to save the seed with the pigs with one of those bad eagles. And mighty eagle is fighting in their own easily.
So what you saw was chapter 1 or chapter 2?
Chapter 1.
Oh,
This is
Yes.
that was chapter 2?
Yes, it's chapter 2. This is chapter 2.
Pigs are gonna pay for
Are you really like this movie?
because
Yeah.
of our hunger to give them a taste of their own quesadillas.
Which bird you like?
I
Which
like
bird?
Sorry guys,
It's
taking
good.
over the blue line.
the one of my favorite birds.
You know I like Terence and Chuck. Which one you like? Which one you like? Is it red? Bomb?
It's Chuck.
Chuck?
No, it's Chuck's sister.
Oh, Chuck's sister.
I have like one of those skin
Oh.
color, and I love it.
Is that the teacher?
No,
Yes, that was the teacher.
have like
Have white
um,
fur?
no, full is like a galaxy, and I love it, like a galaxy white kind of thing. So I love it because how beautiful her look like. How beautiful her skin color is, her fur color is.
Yes. Okay, you can watch it now.